Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. In this week leading up to Labor Day weekend, we wanted to update you on some of the latest Costco Labor Day sales and tool deals, and also the Costco Labor Day remodeling. We also want to show you some of the best of the big ticket items that are on sale now coming up here for this current members only ad cycle. Now, last week and this week, we were updating you with the Lowe's Labor Day tool deals, and also you can see a little bit right here. And we had also uploaded another video for you showing you the Home Depot Labor Day sale tool deals. So you want to make sure that you catch both of these two videos as well here. And the best way to do that is you go to our videos tab here and pull up our videos, and you'll see them all lined up here. Here's all of the videos we've uploaded in the last few weeks, so you want to make sure you get those. So let's take a look at what we've got for sale at Costco. Okay, first up on the bill here, now I fell in love with this one when I saw it in January at Costco. This is the Artica Skylight. It's a 1 foot by 4 foot LED panel that's very perfect in color all the way across. This light first hit the store shelves there at $60 back in January, but we knew it was only a matter of time before it dropped. So now, finally, in time for Labor Day, it dropped $20. I was very quick to put that in my shopping cart yesterday. So the price dropped from about $60 to about $40. It says $39.99 here on the sign. That's about a 33% discount, because we had been waiting to finish remodeling the kitchen in our friend's house where he has tenants in there, and they got this ugly old dark yellow dingy halogen light hanging in the tray in the ceiling of the kitchen, which was useless. And so we wasted absolutely no time installing this yesterday, and just take a look at this here, the night and day difference between how it looked before and how it looks now. And it was basically not even an hour to install it. Very easy installation. They also have this light on Amazon, and we'll put a link to it down below in the video description for you in case you don't have a Costco membership. But it is going to cost a little bit more on Amazon because it's not on sale there and it's not a Costco price. This video can't even convey the mood of how incredible it is when you're standing in the kitchen and you look up and this thing looks like it's a real skylight on a cloudy day, providing natural lighting into your kitchen. Well worth the price. Now, as you can see, we filmed this entire process, so we're going to upload this as a video in the next few days. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you are so that you can see that video when we upload it. People always ask me, is it worth it to have a membership? I mean, what have you gotten out of it? Well, I know certainly during the pandemic, stores like Costco and Sam's Club have really been incredible with us being able to get things like the Clorox wipes on a regular basis, and to be able to score the Lysol, and sometimes to be able to score the alcohol when you can't find it anywhere. So just a couple of days ago, they finally got in a couple of pallets of isopropyl alcohol. We even scored some isopropyl alcohol while we were here. A rare day where they have these in stock. They were limiting 2 packages per customer. They had a whole pallet of them, and we haven't seen rubbing alcohol here in Costco in probably 3 or 4 months. Okay, here's another really great money-saving tip here for you. A lot of people don't know this about Costco, but you remember last month we showed you how we purchased this LG TV there, and it was on sale originally from $17.49, and we bought it for $16.49 because it was on sale, and we thought that's a great deal. And then we went in a week later, this was last week, and we saw the TV dropped even further down to $14.49. So we immediately took our receipt from our purchase the month before, we showed it to them, and Costco has a policy that if you buy something and it goes on sale cheaper, they'll refund the difference for you. So they re-rang the order and put $200 back on my credit card. This is the best way to really lock in savings, because you don't have to be afraid of, hey, what if something drops after I buy it? So save your receipts, and if something drops in price a few months after you buy it, even just go back to them and they'll refund the difference, and you'll lock in your savings. Okay, next here we have the DeWalt 10-gallon wet dry vac. Now this is $89.99. It's not on sale. We have seen it as low as $69.99. We saw that back in January for just maybe not even a week. So if it's not on this ad cycle, maybe it'll be on the next one, or maybe by Black Friday. We don't know. But I just wanted to point it out to you because it doesn't always show up in the stores. And also, sometimes it shows up online if you go to the Costco website and search for it. Sometimes you'll see it there. Sometimes you don't. It just comes and goes. It's like in all tools are on shortages right now around the world and around different stores. So if you see something that you want now's probably the time to get it. And if it does come on sale, you can do exactly what we just showed you with the TV, is you can go back up to the customer service there and get them to refund you the difference if it does go on sale. Once again, the Michelin tires are on a deal again, so they're doing $70 off of a set of 4, plus they'll take 50% off of the installation. Now, if you're willing to buy the cross-climate tires here, it's $110 off. Next, Fiat has these 15-inch outdoor retro-looking lanterns. These are LED light bulbs, replaceable bulbs. And these are for sale right now for $21.99, which is down from $29.99. And it's made out of oil-rubbed bronze. Okay, this is a new product that's kind of cool. This is a 10-foot solar LED auto tilt umbrella. So what it is these LED lights on there are all powered by solar energy. And it also has the Sunbrella fabric on there on the canopy. Now, Sunbrella is very popular down here in Florida, for example, where we have very harsh sunlight. So it's meant to be pretty weatherproof. Now, at $129.99, this is the brand new price. So it just hit the floor. So you're not going to see a deal on it right away. I would say maybe next month on the next cycle, watch for it and see if you see any price drop on it. I like this here. This is the 3 wide step stool, and it's $24.99. Pretty decent price for what you're getting. And I like it the fact that the steps are deep, so you can stand on them comfortably with your whole foot, not like a step ladder. And some of you who might have sensitive feet like me, I don't like standing on a ladder because the weight just digs into the bottom of your feet and it just starts killing your feet after a while. So this is a pretty decent deal here. The Lasco floor fans are still at that lower price of $59.99. This is the lowest price we've seen anywhere for a floor fan like this. And note that it has those outlets on there too. This is one of the better deals that Costco runs over the years. So Kirkland is their own brand, and they have this 36-pack of Ultra Plush microfiber towels. These are probably among the best I've ever bought. They're nice and thick. They're not thin like those cheapy microfiber towels that you might buy at some of the other discount stores. But yeah, these are great, and a lot of people don't know that Costco sells these microfiber towels, but if you're into car care, you should get some of these. Okay, this lighting deal here is another screaming buy. This is a 4-foot long LED shop light that puts out 4,000 lumens of light, which means it's going to be pretty white. And it's marked out hugely from $27.99 down to $19.99. So this one's a pretty good deal. And of course, it's instant on, and my favorite part is you don't have to deal with ballasts anymore like you would with a fluorescent light. There's no light bulbs to change because all of the LED lighting in this fixture is done with LED chips, so you never even have to worry about changing a light bulb. That's the way I buy most of my lights now. Okay, now this thing here is a beast. This is the OV mirrored medicine cabinet for your bathroom. Now it's 24 by 30 inches, which means since most of us have 16-inch stud separation in the wall, you're most likely going to have to tear into the wall and do some cutting out of the studs and reframing there in order to accommodate this. So if you're going to do this on a load-bearing wall, you just want to make sure that you're still allowing it to manage the load and putting, like, for example, jack studs on either side of it. And this medicine cabinet has real cabinet hinges, not those cheap piano hinges that rust and start squeaking. This medicine cabinet is $139.99. This is that Kohler pull-down touchless faucet for your kitchen, which is interesting. It's kind of popular with people. People like to wave their hand under it, and it just automatically turns the water on or off. Now, most of the higher-end kitchen faucets of this type here typically sell around for $250 or higher when you're in stores like Lowe's or Home Depot. But here at Costco, you can see it was at $249. I saw it last week like that, but they've dropped it down to $199, which is a pretty good price. And this is what I tell people: don't buy the faucets at Costco until you see it drop down in price like this. So if it doesn't go on sale today, hey, maybe it will on the next ad cycle. But this one is on sale now. And there's another one there from Delta that's $179, and I tell people don't pay $179 for that one because we've seen it drop to $149. Okay, so now we're happy to see that Costco has brought the Ring doorbells and alarm system back in stock again. Now, they did this last fall where they bring it in September and it's not on sale, and then all of a sudden a few weeks later it goes on sale. So right now we're in that cycle where it's on sale, and I'm willing to bet by the end of the month here, when it goes off sale, it'll be back up to the normal price in October, and then when the next cycle comes back again in November, probably in time for Black Friday, just like last year, I predict that they will put it back on sale again. Now here's pictures from when I was in Costco 2 weeks ago when they first brought the Ring products back in on the floor. And you can see here that the Ring Doorbell 2 was $149 and that the Ring Alarm System was $239. And this is why I tell people, don't pay the full price for the Ring products at Costco. Just wait a few weeks until they come on sale. So just by being patient several days, we saw the price of the Ring Doorbell drop from the $149, $30 cheaper, all the way down to $119. But let's take a look at this. So this is the Ring Doorbell 2. And this is the model that can work with a battery. It has an internal battery, or you can hardwire it too. So it's very flexible. And this one, this is where Costco adds value, I think, to some of the kits. Just like they do with the cameras. They often give you stuff that the other stores don't give you. So here, for example, on this Ring Doorbell 2, they're giving you that chime for free. But that chime normally costs about $30, $40 at other stores. And also here you can see that Home Depot is selling the Ring Doorbell 2 for $132. And that does not come with the $30 chime. That would be extra. So if you compare Costco's total price for these two items together as a kit here, this would be $160 elsewhere, but it's $119 at Costco this month. So the Costco Wholesale Club here has also gotten in the Ring Home Alarm Security Kit. This is the 10-piece kit, and it too is on sale at $179.99. And this is the same one, again, like we showed you what we saw when it first came in last week. It was sitting at $229. So just by being patient a little bit, you can see how much it dropped. Now it's a full $50 less than it was last week. Costco also has the Ring Floodlight Cam, and this kit comes with the Chime Pro, which is a more enhanced version of the regular Chime. And so this too is also on sale, $50 off at $179. So you can see how much you're saving if you're buying all three of these Ring kits on sale today. Here at Lowe's, here's the Ring Security Floodlight Cam for $249. And remember, this one does not include the chime. Ring 8-piece alarm security kit. This one's $249 here at Lowe's. Over here at Home Depot, they have the Ring Floodlight Cam for $209. And then, of course, they have the Spotlight Cam security camera for $169. $30 off the normal price. And they also have the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Now this is the one that's hardwired only. Not like the Doorbell 2, which you could implement either way. You could implement it hardwired or battery backed up. So, there you go. Okay, so there's their summary of all of the discounts for the Ring Doorbell products. Okay, here you can see they had the Apple AirPods Pro and the regular version that came in last week. But all you had to do was wait 1 week to see them drop in price. So only a fool pays that full price when you first see them land in the store. Now here you can see they have the Apple MacBook Pro Space Gray color. is $150 off until the 27th of this month. So it's down to $1,599. Okay, they also have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. This is the 64 gigabyte version. And this one is normally $379 there, and they've got $80 off all the way down to $299. But this one ends on the 6th. So I wouldn't wait until the end if I was you. A lot of times these nice sale-priced items can disappear on you, especially with all the tool product shortages that we've been having the last 6 months. We even scored some isopropyl alcohol while we were here. A rare day where they have these in stock. They were limiting 2 packages per customer. They had a whole pallet of them, and we haven't seen rubbing alcohol here in Costco in probably 3 or 4 months. Okay, so here we can see they have the ecobee Whole Home Smart thermostat, and this one has the sensors as well. And Costco has taken $30 off down to $139.99. So there it is on the display there with all of the sensors that it comes with. Now we did also spot this at Lowe's, and you can see how much they're charging for it. Okay, this is probably one of their better deals going on right now. So they have the Dyson V11 Animal Plus. This is their cordless vacuum. And they've taken $100 off here, as you can see. So it's down to $479. Our Costco did not actually have this in stock for the last couple of months, making me wonder if they're trying to force Dyson out of there. We're not sure. But it is still online, as you can see here. And I've always told people, you know, when you're going through there and you see the V11 in there, you know, normally it's $579. And I've sat there and waited for a month back in January, and it finally went on sale. Although we got it even cheaper, we got it somewhere around $440, which I think is the lowest price we've ever seen for this vacuum. We are actually in the middle of filming a tool review video on this right now as we speak, and should hopefully be up maybe sometime next week. Well, we will upload that video. So, you know, make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, so you can be alerted when that video gets uploaded. But this seems to be the month right now where Costco is aggressively dropping the prices of different vacuum cleaners. For example, here's another one. This is that Bissell Crosswave Premier. So this is that wet-dry vacuum. So it's a vacuum and it's also a wet cleaner as well. So this one is $189.99. It's $50 off. And this price is good until September 27th. And then they also have the Shark Lift Away, which is $60 off at $199.99. And we see this one also ride the sale price roller coaster, where 1 month it's on, the next month it's off. So this is another one to follow. Now they got boatloads in of these stylish Kohler 47-liter step trash bins. These are kind of nice, and they have a nice slow close lid on them as well. So these are marked off down $15 to $54.99. To me, this is probably the best deal of the entire Costco Labor Day weekend here. And that is the $2.25 off of the Martinelli's apple juice. I mean, they are my absolute favorite. And we never see this thing marked below $9.99. That's already a pretty good price anyway at $9.99. But for them to take another $2.25 off, that's just incredible. Looks like they got Mickey and Minnie plush dolls, 36 inches tall, and just in time for Christmas. These are going to be $19.99 each. Well, thanks for joining us again today, folks. I hope you found this very informational. And if you did, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.